Well, we actually lived in midtown Sacramento in a 95-year-old home. We drove up in front of the models, and the first thing that struck me was it had that urban feel. You didn't look at garage doors and driveways, you looked at the fronts of homes. Abundio wanted mandatory in a new home, we had to have a big tub. And we walked in the master bedroom, and there was this big, huge freestanding tub, and that was it. Abundio said, this is the house. As much as we thought we were going to miss our house in Midtown, which we lived there for 20 years, coming here and being in this house, I say to him probably every other day, I love this house. I am so happy in this house. It just feels like home, and it really felt like home from the minute we moved in here. It just felt right.